Welcome back to another video. It's Ivana, also known as the Alterist. I love working out and making stuff. I guess here's like a little art update real quick. So this is what I have so far with this one. Super cool circle type of abstract art. Taking me some time to get it done because I'm working on multiple projects. So there's that one I've been working on recently, and then there's this one. Ooh, check it out. These two pieces have just begun. Especially this one. It only has that little bit of detail right there. This was like a men's tank top and I altered it so it's going to be like cropped. Also made it where it'll show my back. In the back part of it. Yeah, so that's what I did the other day. Also on that same day, I did this. I've been having fun. I'm getting real into my creative energy. So this clearly is like a cool little cross that I first drew on paper and then I like cut it out. And I've been using it to make some cool patches. I made these like fabric cross patches from this. So first I drew this one the other day and then I cut it out with the scissors. I taped it to some red material that I am obsessed with because it's dark red. Ooh! It was just a must to try to make these like cross patches for future making clothes for my dream wardrobe projects and sewing projects. You get my drift. So this one, obviously I was like midway cutting it out. So I already drew it. I did this one last night. But yeah, these ones were from the other day, all on the same day as when I did that. What I'm going to do right now is finish cutting that cross out so we can use it as a reference to make patches for some cool in the future sewing projects, because how amazing would that be? Ooh! Yeah, I'm doing a lot of different stuff this year and it's really fun, I gotta say. I am over here having a blast. Go. Yeah, that's what we literally just cut out, what I drew last night. So, yeah, we're gonna put all this to the side now. But I'm glad we have another cutout patch. So with the crosses, there was some cool stuff that I saw on Pinterest, like for a few years now. I had other projects as priorities, so that's why I haven't tried to make any of these yet and do any sewing projects using them. But yeah, I didn't even make them till like a few days ago, like I was saying. So we'll see what we do, what sewing projects I'm going to use them on or whatever, but it's going to be cool, that's for sure. Anyways, I'm going to put these to the side. So the other day, the same day that I altered the black tank into a crop top for summer and did those cool patches and, you know, the first cross one and everything. I made like 4 of them. That day I was so productive that this is also what I did on that same day. Look at this. Olive green fabric in that wonderful patchwork exposed seam type of style of clothing. One of the things that I need to make soon would be either leggings or shorts in that style. I still need to add more to it. It's a lot, but it's also still not enough to make shorts. So I'm gonna have to get back to sewing on it because like I said, I've taken a few days off from working on it, but all this that you see, I sewed all of this in one day. So I'm going to keep adding to this because like I said, we can't get to work on making the shorts until I have enough of this patchwork style coming through. This is what we're going to sew together to add more fabric that is conjoined. Using the zigzag stitch, of course, to sew this together. This is going to be the next piece right here that we're going to add. So I'm going to line it up like so. With the scrap fabric, I always love to use my scissors and cut out the pieces how I want them to be. Thankfully I have more green thread, so there we go. Rethread my machine real quick. There we go. Got it. So I'm trying to go over every seam twice. So these ones I've gone over twice. I'm going to continue to do the whole thing. So all of them have been sewed over twice. Is basically what I'm saying with a zigzag stitch. And yeah, it's pretty long, as you can see. I'm just saying, as of the width, there should be enough to make shorts, but I might have to make them like longer. We'll see. I did the double seams because we gotta reinforce it, because we don't want the seams coming undone and literally having holes and breaking on us, and then stuff and things that don't need to be showing all of a sudden be showing. Oh hell no, that ain't supposed to happen. So yeah, which is why we just reinforced our seams. But yeah, that's basically what we got so far, guys. I'm gonna try to make a seam where I'm conjoining this, so at this moment in time it's gonna look like a mini skirt, but like I said, we are going to be making this into shorts. Yes, exactly. The rascal didn't show up for like 2 months. I was like, where is he at? So cute. Look at them. Oh, look at these paws too. Oh, he's a sleepy, silly boy, Katie. Hi. Oh. You play with your tail. Oh man, so silly. So cute. Oh, adorable. Oh my goodness. Guys, it's little orange. Little baby orange. Got it. So funny. I was wondering where he was at. Alright, so it's day 3 of working on this, and I have it lined up, the seam that will be the front and the back. I'm going to just cut a few inches right here. So I'm lining up those areas. I'm just going to sew those together now. I think it's day 4 now of trying to work on making these shorts. Can I just say in the front, it looks horrible. The little bit that I tried to do last night, oh man. So I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do. I'm just like, damn. But making patchwork exposed seam shorts, I knew it. I knew it was gonna be difficult, but I'm like, man, this is turning into way more difficult than I thought. Oh, so we'll see what I can do today. I'm having fit issues as well. Like, it's like tight, but then it's like only like that on one side. Part of it is baggy on the other side. So I'm like, Maybe what I'm gonna do is actually just work on the booty scrunch in the back and see if that works, because if that doesn't work, I don't know what will. Since we're working with an exposed seam, I literally just said that I was gonna do a booty scrunch. So honestly, this is gonna be a learning curve for me because I don't know how to do the booty scrunch on the outside. Like, how am I gonna add elastic with it showing now? Maybe I'm just gonna have to like keep putting more like thread over and over and over it. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see how this goes. I'm literally going to put elastic on now. I'm using the straight stitch right now to do the first go around of it, and then I'm going to go back in with the zigzag stitch, and hopefully we can cover up the whole elastic part of it. Stretching the elastic as I sew. Just like going like sideways. I'm like, man, if I'm gonna have this weird lines, then maybe I can have it where it's more centered or something. I don't know if I want these to be cheeky or not, so if I don't, then I'll have to put more fabric on here. But yeah, this is how it's looking so far. You can still see it up top, and if I squatted, you'd still be able to see the elastic. And this is literally loose and then tight on this side. This always happens to me when I make leggings or shorts for some reason. Always happening. And sheesh, also there's my leg-ish. Rude. And then I might need to add more fabric, like I said, because of the fact that it's so damn like tight on this one. Whereas this one, you need to lose some of the fabric because, like I said, it's looser. So it's definitely quite a difficult task of a sewing creation to do. But at the end of the day, I'm gonna make it happen. I am. Because like I said, I would love to have more short shorts, especially for summer. Are you kidding me?